Good morning, student. Here Gopal Srivastav. I am taking your biology in subject science. So all of you get ready to attend your online class of subject science. So all of you open chapter cell, the fundamental unit of life. Student, in the cell, we have already learned some topic about the introduction of cell and what is cell made up of. Cell is made up of the plasma membrane in the animal cell and cell wall in the plant cell and nucleus. So many their cells organisms are also found inside the cell, which performs all activities of our daily life. So student, today I will explain about the cell wall. In the previous class I have explained the plasma membrane, and I have also given the homework of the plasma membrane. What is the work of plasma membrane? How carbon dioxide enters in how carbon dioxide leaves from the cell, and how oxygen enters across the plasma membrane inside the cell. How many types of the osmotic solution? How many types of osmotic solution? I hope you are all learn it. And what is the activities of the these types of means three types of osmotic solution? That is, first hypertonic, second hypotonic, and third isotonic. Okay. And what is the diffusion? What is the phenomena of diffusion? And what is the use of diffusion? Okay. So nectars means the smelling of the perfumes which is inside the flower, which is also spread from the method of diffusion method. So many insects and birds come and attract to fertilize the and pollinate the flower. Okay. So read this properly, and today I will discuss what is the importance of cell wall in the plant cell. Okay. So write some notes. Subject science, biology. Today's topic, cell wall. Student, cell wall very clear. It provides the mechanical strength to the plant. It provides the mechanical strength to the plants and also protect them from the injury, external injury. And it is also make the passage of the entering of the gases, exchanging of the gases. Cell wall are in the plant cell generally are made up of the cellulose. Cellulose, which is the complex organic material, generally made up of the carbohydrate. And cellulose does not digested by the animal, human being, and some animals also. So our body cannot digest the cellulose. Only ruminants and some herbivorous animals can digest the cellulose. Okay. So it provides a rigidity to the plant, stagnant to the plant, and also prevent from the entering of the pathogens, injury inside the cell. So it protect a barrier, it make a barrier from the internal of the cell to the external of the environment. Okay student. Now student, you can write down, you can learn some points. I will explain some point wise point. Like provide rigid, provide present in only plant cell, not in animal. First of all, provide rigidity, mechanical strength, protect from injuries, and also give the way of semi-permeable membrane, because inside this a semi-permeable membrane also found just below the cell wall. Okay, so student, there are some more points which are given in your book. The fungi and bacteria, the cell wall of the fungi is made up of the chitin, which provide the stagnant to their cells. Okay, so there are some difference are found between the plasma membrane and cell wall. So what are the difference between the plasma membrane and cell wall? Student, generally plasma membrane are very thin. You know, cell wall and plasma membrane. Plasma membrane occur only in animal cell, and cell wall present in only plant cell. And position, what is the position of the plasma membrane and the cell wall? The plasma membrane is found outside of the cell, and it is the outside of the which plasma membrane is found outside of the animal cell, and cell wall is also found outside of the cell. What is the thickness of this cell? So plasma membrane is quite thin. Plasma membrane and cell wall, this is quite thin. And student, what is this? It is cell wall is quite thick. And two more point means cell wall is found in only plant cell, and plasma membrane is found only in the animal cell. And it is same found outside of the plant, outside of the cell, and in this animal cell also found in the outside of the cell. And next, it is rigid, it is flexible. So plasma membrane generally flexible cell membrane, and it is rigid, it provides a stagnant to the plants. It is also responsible to the growth of the plant. And you can write down some more. Cellulose, hemicellulose, pectin, and it is made up of the protein and fewer smaller of carbohydrate. Protein, lipid, some smaller carbohydrate. So, student, there are some more other clues which will differentiate the plasma membrane from the cell wall. I have already explained the cell wall is made up of the cellulose, hemicellulose and pectin. Pectin in the bacteria and fungi, and it is generally made up of the plasma membrane made of the protein and lipid and some smaller carbohydrates. So osmosis generally found in the only living cell, not in the dead cell. Only living cell. Okay. So student, in this topic, cell wall. So there are so many other functions of cell wall are also found, except this point. You can write down in the rough what is the function of the other function of the cell wall. This is the differentiate between the plasma membrane and cell wall. Okay. Function of cell wall. First, provide shape. First of cell wall provide the shape of the plant. Second, provide strength. Third, protection against pathogens, okay, and mechanical injury and mechanical injuries या injury. And third, promotes growth. And limited osmosis. So, what is endoosmosis? Student, listen. Means the cell shape means protoplasm means cytoplasm which is present inside the cell. When they leave from the cell, they will be shrink. And when water enters inside the cell, so they will get swelled up and burst. You can do this activity by in the Rio leaves. Okay, when Rio leaf mounted with saffron and it placed into the salty water or sugar water. salty and sugar water, means a hypertonic solution. Hypertonic solution. So what will be there? Sugar water, they will be shrink, because more water will goes through the inside the cell to the outside of the cell. Okay, and in osmosis, when water comes, so in osmosis generally protect against the bursting of the cell, because suppose these are, when they are placed in the water only, means a hypotonic solution, so water enter inside the cell and they swell up, but not bursting, because when they are, this is a cell wall, and this is protect the external environment from the internal environment, so the entering of water will be stopped and cell do not getting the burst. So endosmosis protect the bursting of the cell from the entering of the water from outside to the inside the cell. Okay, so there is an activity is also given in your NCERT book. Okay, student, so you can read properly at your home. Now, student, I hope you are all understood about this. What is the endosmosis or what is the exosmosis? Same as in the resin case. When it placed in the water, when placed in the salty water or sugar water. Okay. Now I would like to rub this and discuss the next topic, that is nucleus. You know, nucleus control the all activity of the cell. Nucleus control all the activity of cell. Means it is the brain of cell. It has hereditary material which goes from parents to their house or child. Means it has the hereditary material, it has the hereditary information. Hereditary material means DNA and RNA, which is responsible for the parents character to the transfer to their offspring. Okay, so student, this is the largest part of the cell. The structure of the nucleus same. This like nuclear flow nuclear pore, nuclear wall, nucleoplasm, nucleolus, and this is the chromatin thread. This is generally the genetic material of DNA and RNA. DNA and RNA. Okay, student. This is the generally outgraph of the nucleus. Nucleus is the nuclear pore, nuclear membrane, which split from the cytoplasm to the nucleoplasm. Okay, and inside the nucleus there is a nucleolus, and some other chromatin thread are present in the inside the nucleus. So, student, some cells have the lack of the nucleus, like the prokaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cell. Only eukaryotic cell have the nucleus and perform the all activity of the cells. This is generally found in the multicellular organism. Okay, student. So, what is the work of these parts of the nucleus? You can write down in the rough. I am going to give you some clue about this part. Write down. Nuclear envelope means nuclear membrane. So it is just like the double membrane. Also called nuclear membrane. What is the work of the nuclear membrane? It protects the entering of the cytoplasmic organelles inside the nucleoplasm. Okay, you can write down. Nuclear pore allows entering of entering or exchange of material between nucleus and cytoplasm. Okay, so student, nuclear pore only allows the entering of material from cytoplasm to the nucleoplasm and nucleoplasm from to the cytoplasm. Cell wall does not allow the entering the material from the cytoplasm inside the nucleoplasm. Okay. Now student, you can learn some more work of the other parts of the nucleus. I want to erase this. What is nucleoplasm? Student, nucleoplasm occurs between the envelope of the nuclear membrane, which is surrounded by the all over surrounded by the nuclear membrane. So there are so many materials are found inside the envelope of the nuclear membrane, that is the chromatin thread and nucleolus. So nucleus is found in which the chromatin and the nucleolus are suspended. Chromatin thread and nucleolus are suspended in nucleoplasm. Any doubt? No. The next, that is called nucleolus. Nucleolus. So there is the nucleolus. Write down some points in your copy, student. Okay, student. Nucleolus found in the nucleoplasm. Which is the not bounded by the nuclear membrane, any membrane, which is not bounded by the any membrane, which is made up of the protein. No membrane, made up of the protein. Okay, formation of ribosome, which is responsible for protein synthesis. So ribosomes originate from, born from where? Nucleolus. So you can write down, made of the protein, formation of the ribosome, and also responsible for the protein synthesis. And main, it has rich of RNA. So in the nucleolus, there is a rich amount of RNA are also found in the nucleolus. Okay, student. And there is one more things are found inside the nucleus, that is called chromatin thread. What is the work of chromatin thread? So student, first of all, write point by point some notes about the nucleolus. So this is the chromatin thread. This is made up of the DNA and protein. DNA and protein. During cell division, they made up of the genetic material of the cell. So write down during cell division it become condensed, means thick, it become condensed and thick rod like structure. Okay, and known as chromosome. Okay student, write down. So the chromatid is responsible for the making chromosomes, because during cell division it becomes converted into the condensed thick and rod like structure that is called chromosomes. Okay student, now I am going to give the some homework because your time is going over. Read and learn the about the features of cell wall and nucleus of the cell. Write down this student. I hope you are all revised very sincerely and very fast, because this is the once again to giving you a chance to revise your all chapter. Okay student, any queries then you contact to me. Okay, thank you student, class is over.